Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini in Google Docs. So if you're looking to make your Google Docs smarter with AI, you are in the right place. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more productivity tutorials. And because in this video, I'll show you how you can use Gemini AI inside Google Docs to take your writing to the next level. So what is Gemini in Google Docs? Gemini is Google's AI assistant integrated into workspace apps, and it helps with writing suggestions, grammar fixes, tone adjustment, and content generation. So to access Gemini in Google Docs, you can just open the Google Docs and look for the option Help Me Write or the Gemini side panel. You can see in here, this is the Gemini, and you can just click on this, try it out to activate Gemini. So if you don't see this option, you need to make sure that you already signed in into a Google Workspace or updated account. And you can try enabling labs features under settings if available. So you can just click on this. As you guys can see, I don't sign in yet to the Google Workspace, so I need to subscribe to it first to get Gemini in Gmail, Docs, and more. So I need to subscribe to Google AI Pro, and you can just click on Get Offer. And after that, after you subscribe and get this, you can use key features of Google of Gemini, such as Help Me Write. So you can type a prompt like write a professional email request, and Gemini will auto generate content, and you can choose refine or shorten or elaborate or formalize to modify it. You can also ask the Gemini to summarize text, fix tone and grammar, and brainstorming ideas. So you can ask it to generate headlines, blog outlines, or meeting agendas. And that's how you can use Gemini in Google Docs to write smarter and faster. Whether it's email, reports, or brainstorming, Gemini is your new writing assistant. So like this video if you learned something new, and also subscribe and click on the thanks for more Google Workspace tips. Bye!